Tired of Facebook followers who don't translate into paying customers? Today, I'm going to walk you through creating a compelling lead magnet right on Facebook, so you can turn those likes into leads and build a valuable email list. First, design a visually appealing lead magnet. We'll use Canva for this because it has tons of easy to customize templates. Consider this your first impression, so make it count. Choose a template that matches your brand and the value proposition of your free offer. Next, create valuable content that solves a specific problem for your target audience. This could be an ebook, checklist, video tutorial, or anything of value. Your content should deliver on a promise and leave them wanting more. A strong hook and actionable tips are key. Now, promote your lead magnet with a captivating Facebook post. Highlight the benefit of downloading it and include a clear call to action, like download now or get your free guide. Make sure the image is attention-grabbing. Level up your promotion with Facebook ads. Set your target audience based on interests, demographics, and behaviors related to your niche. A small, targeted ad spend can dramatically increase your reach. The most important step is directing people to a landing page. Use a service like MailChimp or a website builder, or you can use a simple Google form. Once they're on the page, then collect email addresses in exchange for the lead magnet. Finally, set up an automated email sequence to nurture your new leads. This builds trust and encourages them to become paying customers. Send a follow-up email thanking them for downloading the lead magnet and providing additional valuable content. Implement these steps, and you'll be well on your way to building a thriving email list and converting Facebook followers into loyal customers. Don't forget to track your results and refine your strategy for optimal lead generation.